Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about another final year computer science project idea. So you can use this project idea for your mini project or your final year project. So based upon your requirement, you can create a big project or a small project. So let us discuss the today's idea, like what is the topic and what all technologies you need in order to implement this project. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you can get important updates whenever a new video is posted on the channel. So we'll start our discussion. So today's topic is you can create a spam filtering. I mean, you have seen this in Gmail and other Yahoo email, where like automatically there are different folders, and if something is spam, I mean, again, it is not that it does automatically. It has some ML code that is running behind. So that ML code is responsible for checking some of the words that are related to spam, and based upon that it does. Now, if you want to create this project, what all technologies you need in order to implement this? First thing is like you must have coding knowledge of Python. Why I'm saying Python? Because Python has lot of libraries, and if I talk about ML, so Python is the best for all the ML work that we do. Second is like TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is basically for deep learning, in which we train the model, and then you can get some already trained model that you can use, and then you can plug in, so that like if you are creating a application, email based application, just for your demo purpose, uh, for your teacher or whosoever is going to check it, so you can show him live like this is your email sending application. Once the email is sent, these are the keywords that were present, and then using this model, it detects if there is any keyword that is related to spam thing, so it is automatically uh, setting up, or it is automatically storing that particular email into a different folders. So you can easily show how it is able to segregate spam and non-spam things. So it is a deep neural network model. I mean, it's not very difficult. All the modules are already available. Lots of help is available, but the thing is like you can show this, you can use this, and again within a couple of months, or within a single month, you can implement this, and this will be a live project. So friend, this was another project idea for spam filtering, and this particular idea you can use in any of your project. It's not email or SMS, any of the things that you are, any of the project that you are making. If a person is sending any comments, so there also you can implement that. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.